We were the same person, so it made sense to bring you. I knew it would mean the same to you as it did to me. And maybe I just thought you needed to see it.
Do you still think that?
Hmm?
We're one person?
Oh, sometimes. I knew you'd come. I wanted it to be just the two of us, you and me, on our 20th anniversary fireworks.
It's not fair to Dad. He should be here
I've
too.
already said my goodbyes. And besides, 40 years of being a wife and 30 years of being a mother, it's about time to just be me.
Mom.
This is my last fireworks, Helen, and I want to share them with you. If I can't play favorites now, then when can I? Can I tell you a secret?
Of course.
It's a big secret. Biggest secret. It's never been told before.
Tell me.
Not even your father knows.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
All right. Before you were born, I always wanted a boy.
Mom.
My own Tiger Timmer.
Mother.
Percy Fiddler. But once I held you in my arms and saw the child that you were and the woman you'd grow into, I got down on my hands and knees and I thanked God for giving me such a child. I have been so fortunate to have you as my daughter. Will you promise me something?
What?
Promise me that you'll bring her here to see the fireworks and that you'll tell her about me.
Of course I will.
3 generations of Pringles. What was and what is to be.
Our name is Heath.
My husband's name is Heath. My name is Pringle, and so is yours. Your name is Helen Pringle Heath.
Actually, it's Rogers now.
But you're still a Pringle. You're continuing in a long line of strong, proud Pringle women. I remember the night we almost lost you. It was about a month before you were due.
Don't remind me, I still get goosebumps.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Bloody mess everywhere. Neil rushed me to the hospital. I was hemorrhaging. Seems you were just too big for me to keep inside. They thought they were going to lose you and me. Had to get you out right away.
Oh my God.
They did.
Lucky for me.
Your father, he sat beside me all night long, just holding my hand. I think that's how I made it through the night. How long so long? Just looking up into his eyes. I knew he couldn't bear to lose me, so I pulled through. I survived. Like my mother and my mother before me. We're survivors, just like you.
Is that why you never had any more children?
It is.
I feel I should say sorry.
But why? We already had the most wonderful child we could hope for. Our own beautiful baby girl. How could we begrudge God that? No, no, don't you be sad. I've had a good life. I've had friends who loved me, a husband who worshipped me. I had my daughter, and a home, and a family.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you too. Now you listen. Don't you go be so successful in your work that you forget to be a good mom. You're and Gormand, if he ever starts rooting around, you just tell him to piss off. I need to lie down for a bit now.
Mom,
You wake me up when they start.
Mom, we should probably go back.
No. Quiet now.
Mom,
No. No more words.